Hello everyone, welcome to IBAR Workflow Studio. Process 1. Today we will talk about the creation of work certificate process. This is a web version of process 1. Name surname, the text field, filled in automatically. 2. Language of certificate, a drop-down list with the values. Kazakh, Russian, English, Turkish. 3. The purpose, a drop-down list with the values. Bank, educational center. For future. Approve experience. To take visa. If reason of request is to take visa, the initiator should fill in the rest of the information. 4. Country, the text field, filled in manually. 5. Reason to go, the text field, filled in manually. 6. The start date, choose from the calendar. The default is the current date. 7. The end date, initiator can choose from calendar. After this process, initiator can take certificate from work. Let's start do it. Form. Creation of project name in form. Choose label tool from standard form control. In properties caption of label enter the name of project for users. Also for label in appearance might make a border. In work certificate process in properties caption of label 7 we entered Zuma Sawn in an Aniktama. To make border only for bottom, uncheck others. Creation of object which shows automatically initiators information. Choose user data tool from user and document data. To move label and document owner differently, uncheck caption in document owner's property. In text choose standard property information which need be automatically. In appearance choose object is visible. In our process label is 8 is an E and for document only chosen in text standard property information, name and surname. Appearance, object is visible. Creation of object list to choose one element. Choose combo box tool from standard form control. In properties of list might change the list of elements of length and options. In elements add types of object and they must be active. To cancel one type of object click and put minus. In our process label is Aniktama till Intandanis and in list elements length in options is 30. Elements are types of language, Kazakh, Russian, English, Turkish. Appearing of new objects after choosing one element code. In our process label is purpose of certificate label 2 and in list 4 reason. In this process label 5, label 6, label 9, label 10 and their texts must be visible if reason is to take visa. Click to list, go to event in Code Explorer right side of Studio, and write this code to list 2 underscore on after change. Switch list 2 selected value. In our case code will be like this. Creation of object that will enter own initiator. Choose text box tool from standard form control. In properties of text click to data type and choose text. In this process country label 4 and reason to go. Label 6 are information that initiator must enter. Creation of object for date from calendar. Choose text box tool from standard form control. In properties of text click to data type and choose date and click to get today's date, select from calendar. In work certificate process start date label 10 and comma label 9 are dates that initiator must choose in calendar. Flow. Addition of document and events to users. To add document, in property of user click to document then add by plus the document and tick the edit. To add events to users in property of user click to event then add by plus and choose event. In our project we added document 1 for every user and the flow starter can approve or reject, that is why we chose approve and reject. But HR group can only read and approve, so their event is ready. Addition of constant positions for flow group. To choose constant flow group open the property of flow group and click to group content. To add put plus then choose position constant position choose positions from database table. In this project for HR group we chose group members chief, expert chief, director and expert. Sending a message to approvers about the approval to process. To send email about approval to user go to property of users. In messages caption fill the title and in message fill what he or she must do. In work certificate process email goes to HR group members. In caption written this sentence, gibar.net equals process caption approval, question mark equals name, equals surname, equals process caption the name of process, question mark equals name, equals surname, the name and surname of initiator. Also in message, new work certificate is requested. For details follow the link below. This is a body of message. Thank you for your watching, see you in